Hello friend, welcome to my channel Technical Hakim. Today in this video I have shown one of the DASAN OLT which I have recently configured. Actually I have configured number of OLTs previously. So this one is one of the DASAN OLT which I have configured recently, and the model of the OLT is V5808. So I will show you basic CLI on this DASAN OLT. Actually the configuration hierarchy on this DASAN is somehow different from the other GPON-OLTs. So the show port status will display you all the ports, available ports on the OLT, including PON ports and uplink downlink ports, that's gig or optics port 1G and 10G. Likewise, show ONU information will display you the information of the ONU. You will be able to see the serial number, status of ONU, whether it's online or online, whether it's offline or online. Here you can see the status: active means online and inactive means offline. Likewise, you will be also able to see the optical power received at ONT end. And the show ONU MAC address 1 command will show you whatever MAC address is learned on GPON PON port 1. So ONU active will display you all the active ONUs, whatever the ONU has been added to the PON ports, it will display all those ONU, and you will be able to identify on the basis of a status ONU status whether it's active or inactive. So ONU MAC address information shows you whatever MAC address is learned on OLT. So here you can see two of the ONUs are online and active. So the motive of this video was to make sure if any of you are struggling with DASAN OLT, or if you need any support, whether it's with configuration, whether it's with troubleshoot, you can reach out to me. You can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I have shared the WhatsApp details, or you can reach out to me via mail. So I deal with various technical supports including GPON. So if you need any help with this DASAN OLT for configuring or any troubleshoot, you can reach out to me. I will help you. Okay, thank you friend. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you find my videos, my contents useful. If you have any queries or any feedbacks related to any of my videos or contents, or if you need any help or support, then please feel free to reach out to me. You can drop comment section. You can drop your comment in the comment section, or you can reach out to me directly via WhatsApp numbers or by my mail addresses. I've shared my contact details on my channel info page. Okay, thank you.